double engines, double disappointment.
मोहन सरकार पहल बजेट के लेकरी कड़ा प्रतिक्रिया रखिछन विरोधी दल नेता बीजेडी सुप्रीमो बीजेडी सभापति नवीन पट्टनायक। राज्य बजेट आसला उतरु नवीन कहिछन डबल इंजिन सरकार रे डबल निराशा हेबार के पड़ीचे और सरकार समिया थी 40 नु अधिका योजनार ना खाली बदलै देइछन सरकार सविशेष भावे बजेट के अनुध्यान कला उतरु इतार उपरे मुई अधिक मतामत रखमी बोली नवीन निजर मत देइछन।
About yesterday's national budget, I have given my right. I'll say again that it was a double engines, double disappointment. About the state budget, I noticed that they've named more than 40 of my government scheme. They've just renamed it. I'll go through it in detail and then I will give my comments on the state budget. Thank you.
CNC College Palanger. With time, efforts and overcoming different challenges, we have now become the #1 commerce college in Odisha. We have been constantly providing outstanding education in our +2 and +3 domain. We have scaled up and started +2 science stream this year with the vision to revolutionize science education. Facing adversities made our visions stronger and more powerful. We have 15 years of proven excellence in education. Now, CNC has become a brand in the industry and it speaks for itself. Come join CNC and change the world.